Hey everyone! Today, we are going to cover 5 best dock bumpers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Dimex EasyFlex Dock Edging. For a highly versatile dock bumper with a number of potential applications, look no further than the Dimex EasyFlex Plastic D-Profile Dock Edging. It's flexible, durable, dependable, and can be used both in freshwater and seawater. Additionally, it's easy to install and maintain. The single-cavity D-Profile design lends this dock bumper its versatility. Not all products on this list can function well as dock piling bumpers, but this one can work on dock pilings, dock edges, and dock corners. This dock edging is made of flexible recycled PVC that won't leave stains or scuffs on your boat. The material is pigmented plastic, which means that it doesn't have a colored coating. Thus, there will be no color transfer from the plastic to the hull of your boat in case of collision. Installation is also no trouble at all. This product can be either 16 or 25 feet long and will be coiled when you first receive it. Simply uncoil the product, then leave it out in the sun for a while to let it straighten out. After this, you'll easily be able to see the edging in as many sections as you need. You can also use this dock edging to create both horizontal and vertical dock bumpers. This offers better protection for your boat because it can bump into your dock's edges, corners, pilings, or posts without sustaining even the slightest damage. Number 2. Our second best pick is tailor-made dock corner bumper. Tailor-made dock bumpers come in different shapes, ensuring that your boat is well protected. The tailor-made dock corner bumper is made to keep your boat safe from getting into unfortunate accidental encounters with dock corners. Dock corners can be difficult to avoid, especially for novice boaters. Thus, it's important to make sure that you install effective and durable dock corner bumpers, like this product. This bumper is made of heavy-duty PVC with structural ribs on the interior for extra protection against impact and damage. The PVC material is highly durable, but it's also made with just enough flexibility to absorb shock upon impact. Additionally, it's just soft enough that you won't have trouble drilling into it for mounting. It measures 6 inches by 6 inches, made to perfectly fit 90-degree corners. Thus, it can fit easily on different kinds of docks. You won't have to worry about the installation, simply drill into the material and attach with stainless steel hardware. Another thing that you'll appreciate about this dock bumper is that it's also suitable for larger boats. Other bumpers might not be able to handle heftier boats, but this one is made to be durable enough to withstand the impact. Number 3. Our third best pick is tailor-made dock side guard. Some dock bumpers will prevent extensive or significant damage to the hull of your boat, but will still leave some scratches and smaller signs of damage. The tailor-made Comm dock side guard, however, will effectively protect your boat while keeping its hull pristine and damage-free. One thing that you may like about this product is that it's made of 85% recycled, double-molded PVC material. If you're looking to be a bit more environmentally friendly, this is a great product to use. The recycled material is soft, easy to cut, and prevents damage to your boat's hull. This bumper comes in lengths of 10 feet per piece. You can easily cut into shorter pieces with the use of a miter or bandsaw, making this bumper very versatile and usable for docks with different dimensions. Simply leave it out in the sun for a few minutes after taking it out of the box for it to completely uncoil. Installation is also quick and easy. You can securely attach the bumper to your dock using screws, which means that installing it is fairly simple and straightforward. It's also not very heavy, so you can hold it up against the dock with no trouble. If you have a high-speed boat, docking may get tricky at times, even at the slowest speed. Without pier bumpers, docking can be even more complicated and difficult because of the Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Dock Edge Torpedo Post Bumper. Your dock comes with parts and protrusions that can cause accidental damage to your boat. With the help of the Dock Edge Torpedo Post Bumper, you can cover all bases and make sure that your boat won't even sustain a scratch if it collides against the dock. This bumper is similar to the Dock-made straight dock bumper. It's designed to go around dock posts or leg pipes to protect boats against damage in case of collision or impact. Boat owners use dock bumpers to line the edges and corners of their docks, but posts and leg pipes can cause some damage as well. Fortunately, this bumper's construction and design will give you peace of mind. Like the previous bumper on this list, this one is also made of molded PVC. It has to be inflated in order to work, and it has an air valve for convenient inflation and deflation. The PVC material is durable and high quality, and it has enough flexibility to bounce right back after impact. Additionally, this bumper can also cover up protruding bolts when it's installed over mounting brackets. Bolts and other similar hardware can scratch or even gouge holes in the hull of your boat. When positioned just right, this bumper can protect your boat against things other than a dock post or leg pipe. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Dock Edge Dock Side Bumper. Provide year-round protection for your boat with the Dock Edge Dock Side Bumper. It stays reliable even in turbulent waters, high tides, and big waves. No matter what the weather is, this dock bumper will make sure that your boat will be able to come out on the other side without even the slightest scratch. Not only can this bumper work well even in rough weather, but it can also last for a long time. It can take on heavy impacts without buckling, and it will bounce right back so your boat remains protected. Unlike other boat dock bumper solutions, this one doesn't rely on padding. Instead, the bumper itself is made of air-filled molded PVC. It has an inflation valve that will allow you to fill it with air and make it ready for mounting. Even without padding, they are firm and sturdy but not too hard that they'll be unable to absorb shock. Installation is also unlikely to be a problem. It comes with pre-molded holes so you won't have to worry about drilling into the material to accommodate screws. You can use lag screws to securely mount the bumper on the side of the dock. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.